Good afternoon. It's July the 11th, 2016. Time to wrap up our trading. We came in this morning, and we've been that way all day long, wanting to be buyers. We started off with a 23.25 buy before the market opened, and we raised that to 27.50 on a mean green trade, and you were able to get in right there on the first buy. It was okay to sell failure to take out the 21.34 area. We really weren't very interested at all in the short side of the market, but this was a pattern that could have worked. That was a pattern that could have worked. And then basically we were looking to buy the 27.28 level, and we had it here, and then off to the races to new contract highs right here. And if we close this over 21.35, and that's my guess that we will, the contract will close with new contract highs. Everybody will be happy. For the last 3 hours, I've been saying as long as we stay above this 32.50 area right here, this market can trade higher. We never challenged 32.50. And there's good information here for us as traders. If we know that 32.50 is support right here, that was resistance, it's now support. And the trading community won't even go for stops beneath that. That gives you a feeling that the market is still strong and pointed higher. This is a huge number down below, 11,066 for the 50 lot traders. So the large institutions are not backing away from their positions at all. So anyway, our assessment was good. Software did its job. It was a slow grind up for sure, but the idea was going to close for new contract highs, and I think we're on that way right now. Looking at the F1 screen, higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it. Looking at the F2 screen, we're going to see a P. That hasn't changed, and we're going to see a move out of the middle. So we're in the same situation we are when the contracts are making new highs. If we fail to take out this 36 to wherever the London overnight session high is, 40, we can sell failure to take that out. Then I think the next trade's really going to be against 50. So the next trade would be selling 45s to 50s. No news to speak of tomorrow. Overnight, we'll want to see follow-through buying in the overseas markets. I think we'll get it. So we got a pretty clear buy right here in the 33.30 area for buy 1 for Globex. And then buy 2 will be 27.50 to 25. And the reason we're buying it is the Fed's buying it, and they want the market to go higher. Okay, Treasuries got hit hard. It is an auction week. We do see 2 and 3 year selling now, and it about every other auction. Sometimes they're long, sometimes it's short. So we really can't count on the 2 to 3 year buying phenomenon. And they use that to set up the end of the week. The inverse relationship with the market will play to a little bit, but I mean everybody expects the Fed to hold on interest rates. So what's good news for the stock market is also good news for the bond and note market. So it's an inside day that says trading range. I'd like to buy weakness in the overnight market. The idea that the bottom can't fall out of the market on the assumption that the E-mini does not explode to the upside. They can't move the paper in a down market. So we have rejected prices now below 33.05, but we are pointed lower. So 29s to 01s buy 1, 21s to 25s buy 2, and we'll put a question mark at 5. On the sell side, 8 to 12 is resistance. It's holding. So 8 to 12 sell 1. 15 to 19 sell 2. I do think the first trade, especially in Globex, will be to a short to the downside. I'm guessing that we're probably going to find a low in Globex overnight.